Hey yo, it's a G to G. I'm back today with another video. Today I'm going to be making a Monaco trap beat. That's the title of the trap beat I'm going to be making today. Make sure you get ready for the Monaco trap beat today. I'm going to be using 140 BPM today to create the Monaco trap beat. Is a G to G. I'm back today with another hit. Now, when making beats, make sure you try to choose a tempo because there is no specific tempo in creating trap beats. Make sure you always choose from 130 to 130 BPM in creating your beat. The title of the beat I'm going to be creating today is how to create a Monaco trap beat. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell below so anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly, and this is how I'm going to launch my FL Studio like this. I'm going to launch my FL Studio like this by putting my mouse here, right click and open my FL Studio. So I'm just going to wait a little bit for it to load. That's it, it's loading. Now I've opened my FL Studio. That's it. I'm going to pick my plugin. I'm going to pick my plugin. I'm going to left click, hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 5. That's it. This is my plugin. Here is my mixer. This is my mixer, and this is where I've routed it to channel 5. And this is my playlist, and this is my channel rack. This is here, and this is my plugin. Now I'm going to just click on it first. I'm going to click on it first and click here, click on preset and choose my right preset. That sounds very good. So I'm going to, as you can see, I'm going to change this one to pick the right one. That sounds very good. I'm going to use this one to create my Monaco trap beat. That's it. I'm going to use this one to create my Monaco trap beat. I'm going to be using a 2 melody loop today to create my Monaco trap beat. Now I'm going to create a 2 bars pattern, then I'm going to copy it right to bars number 8. This is the first 2 bars here. I'm just going to arrange it like this. Now I've created a good simple 2 bars. Now I'm going to highlight it, left click, highlight it to the left, Control and B to number 8 bars. That's it. So I'm going to create my Monaco trap beat. I'm going to be creating my Monaco trap beat like this. turn off my first melody and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. I'm going to add a sound woodenizer. I'm going to put it to B. As you can see, the melodies are sounding very good. I'm going to pick a second melody by clicking on add here, like this, and this add here. I'm going to pick now this one called, let me look for bull bars. This is bull bars. I'm going to click here and left click, hold it, turn it to 6. Right click on my piano roll and click to piano roll like this. Now I'm going to program my bass note like this. So I'm going to program my bass note. I'm going to play it now. The next step is I'm going to add a Fruity reverb too. I'm going to add a Fruity reverb like this. I'm going to add a Fruity reverb like this. The Fruity reverb, it's a Fruity reverb. I'm going to add it like this. It's okay. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat by, I'm going to program my hi-hat by right click and piano roll. This is it. Now I'm going to program my snare by right click, piano roll. Now I'm going to pick my kick, and this is my kick here. Let me drop my kick here. Now I'm going to right click on my kick and start programming my kick like this. I'm going to right click on my kick, piano roll, and these are the notes. I'm going to start programming my kick like this. Program my kick. I'm going to boost my kick now like this. This is my kick. I'm going to boost like this. This way I'm going to boost my kick by turning up the boost knob, and here it sounds like this. I'm going to arrange my kick. to arrange my instrument by where they have written part 1. I'm just going to right click and split by channel. As you can see, these are everything I've programmed today. I'm just going to click on it and just click on my playlist. This is a simple way to do this. I'll click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, and click on my playlist, click on my meta harp, which is my first melody, click on my playlist, click on my bull bars, and click on my playlist. Now I'm going to left click, hold it, highlight it to the left. Now I've copied my beat to make it longer. Now I'm going to remove the space for the intro like this. I'm going to remove the space for the intro like this. This is my intro this is my intro here. I'm going to highlight it again and copy it like this. That's it. I'm going to create this is the outro now. I'm creating my outro. I'll create my outro like this. Create my outro like this. This is my outro. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'll remove the snare here. I'm here the way it sounds. Let's listen to a full Monaco trap beat now. What I'm going to explain is this section, this section here. This is the outro. This is the intro of the beat, and this is the outro. And here is another hook where I've removed the kick, removed this hi-hat, and I've removed the snare. Now listen to the outro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you press the subscribe button and see you next time in a new video.